Hello and thank you for tuning in to Saya Resam, your personal guide through the ever-expanding world of technology. In this episode, we'll put a hotly anticipated device through real-world tests to see if it lives up to its hype. Today we're taking a hands-on look at the brand new Acer Swift 16i 2026. A laptop that tries to turn AI PC from a marketing buzzword into something you can actually feel in everyday use. Acer's Swift lineup has always been known for thin, lightweight machines for regular users. But this year, Acer is clearly aiming higher. The Swift 16ai isn't just about portability anymore. It's about combining a big screen, powerful, integrated graphics, and AI-focused hardware into one sleek device. Right away, the design feels familiar but more refined. The Swift 16ai keeps that clean, minimal look the series is known for. The chassis is built from a magnesium aluminum alloy, which makes it feel sturdy without adding bulk. Subtle lines across the lid and a simple Acer Swift logo give it a professional appearance without being flashy. It's the kind of laptop you'd feel comfortable opening in a meeting or a coffee shop. Despite the large 16-inch display, the laptop remains impressively portable. It weighs only about 3.4 pounds, which is surprisingly light for this size. Slip it into a backpack and you'll barely notice it's there. Acer clearly stayed true to the Swift philosophy: thin, light, and easy to carry every day. Open the lid, and you're greeted by a full-size keyboard, including a number pad. The layout feels spacious and comfortable, and Acer says the keycaps are about 6% larger than the previous generation. In practice, typing feels natural and less cramped, especially for long work sessions. But the real highlight here is the touchpad. Acer claims this is the largest haptic touchpad in the world, and it definitely feels huge. Instead of physical clicks, you get consistent haptic feedback across the entire surface. There are no dead zones, and every press feels even and precise. It also supports a stylus, which is great for quick sketches, signing documents, or small creative edits. It's a surprisingly versatile feature that you don't usually see on traditional laptops. Now let's talk about the display, because this might be the star of the show. The Swift 16ai features an OLED panel with options up to 3K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a 16:10 aspect ratio. Colors look rich, blacks are deep, and everything feels incredibly sharp. That 120Hz refresh rate makes everyday tasks like scrolling, browsing, and multitasking feel noticeably smoother. There's also a touchscreen option available, adding even more flexibility for work or entertainment. Under the hood, this laptop runs on Intel's new Core Ultra Series 3 platform, with configurations up to the Intel Core Ultra X9. The X branding highlights its powerful integrated graphics, specifically the 12Xei GPU, which is currently Intel's strongest integrated solution for thin and light laptops. The CPU features 16 cores, total 4 performance cores, 8 efficiency cores, and 4 low-power cores. This setup balances strong performance when you need it, while keeping power consumption low during lighter tasks or standby. Even more impressive is the real-world performance. During testing, the 12Xe integrated graphics managed to run Cyberpunk 2077 with Intel's XSS and frame generation enabled, delivering what felt like well over 100 frames per second. Even with frame generation turned off, the game stayed around 60 FPS, which is remarkable for a laptop without a dedicated GPU. That means you can work all day and still enjoy casual gaming at night, without carrying a bulky machine or heavy charger. Overall, the Acer Swift 16i 2026 feels like more than just another thin laptop. It's a serious attempt to blend portability, a gorgeous big display, smart AI-focused hardware, and surprisingly capable graphics into one clean package. If this is the direction AI PCs are heading, Acer might be onto something really exciting.